Elliot the Hawk here. Thanks for coming back to Secrets of Magic. Today's trick is trick number 3, and it's called Freebird. So once again, you want to always start by gathering your audience around. If you're at a party or the office and you say, my favorite line is, come on, come on everyone, you know, and then everyone's usually gathered around, and then pose a question such as, you know, do you believe that in the magic of flight, you know, stuff like that, and then their minds are normally racing and like thinking like, what, this is gonna be so neat, you know. So then everyone's excited, you know, and so okay, and this is it. So come on, do you believe in the flight of magic?